All right, welcome to AI in app development. In this first video, we're covering what AI is, how it works in apps, and where to start if you're new to AI in development. So by the end of this video, you'll know the key AI technologies used in apps and where to find the best tools to get started. So you've already used AI today, whether it's Spotify suggesting music, Google Maps predicting traffic, or even Siri answering your questions. AI is everywhere in modern day apps. And so let's break down 4 core AI technologies that developers use today. First off, machine learning or ML. I'll show you exactly how that works. And we'll look at how machine learning predicts patterns based on user data. Apps like Spotify use this to recommend songs based on your listening history. Let's go through this step-by-step ML exploration aspect. So open the OpenAI platform and navigate to their machine learning documentation. Examine sample recommendation algorithms in order to observe how past user data informs future suggestions. Let's talk about the second one, natural language processing, or NLP for short. Go to cloud.google.com/AI to explore how NLP enables chatbots and voice assistants. Tools like ChatGPT, Siri, and Alexa use NLP to understand and generate human language. Here is now a practical NLP demonstration. Go to Google Cloud AI platform.
Once you've signed up, you have to eventually make sure that you have an account already. Once you verify your identity and that information goes through, you agree and continue. And then you go to the top search bar, you type in NLP API. You click on the first thing, natural language AI. You click the button, then try it in console. Once you've tried it in console, you can then click the generate speech option. And once you've clicked on the generate speech, you can then go into the text box. You type in anything you want. Hey, my name is Chris. What's your name? As an example. And then you have to enable the API. You click that blue button, enable API, and then you click submit. And so now you get the voice, and that's how you do it. If you wanted to activate this API, you would click the button at the top, activate, and then you would be able to take this code and put it wherever you want.
Click on the Natural Language API section, review sample code for text processing, and this is how you're going to understand how AI interprets human communication. So for number 3, if you want to go into computer vision head, go to huggingface.co and explore computer vision models. Apps like Google Lens and Face ID use this technology to analyze images, recognize objects, faces, and text. Now let's talk about hands-on computer vision exploration. So navigate to the Hugging Face browser, image recognition models, download sample vision AI scripts, and understand image analysis algorithms. And number 4, if you want to get into recommendation systems, visit tensorflow.org to see how recommendation systems increase user engagement. Platforms like YouTube, Amazon, and Instagram use AI to suggest personalized content. We see it every day. So now let's go a little bit deeper into this. Open TensorFlow's website and go into the review recommendation algorithm tutorials. Examine code for personalized suggestions, understand how AI predicts user preferences. Here's a quick reference for AI tool that I just talked about in this video. So we have platform.openai, we have cloud.google.com/AI, we have huggingface.co, we have tensorflow.org. If you would like to continue your education with AI, remember one thing. Every complex AI application started with someone just like you, curious, determined, and ready to learn. So in our next video, we will now talk about structuring your ideas in a way to get a better idea of what to actually bring to the market and make sure that it's actually needed. See you then.